taxi. Okay. Bring up the power. Steering with our feet. Check the windsock here. Looking for other traffic on the ground. And we'll check the windsock to determine the runway in use. We want to take off into the wind. Steering with our feet, using the power and our differential pedal pressure to keep the nose straight down the center line. Watch our clearance on either side to make sure we don't run into other aircraft. We're going to taxi up to what's called the hold short line. This is a line that demarcates the difference between the taxiway and the active runway environment. Ease our forward with our toes and stop on the brakes.